Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Pitch Deck Pro review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we will be talking about this offer called Pitch Deck Pro. So this is the Pitch Deck Pro review, and right now we are on a sales page. It says here, attention business owner, freelancers, marketeers and corporate workers. Discover how you can create stunning, attention grabbing and professional presentations, pitch decks, business reports, marketing visuals and more. Revolutionary Pitch Deck Pro with over 1900 plus new pitch deck presentation templates easily lets you create high converting and captivating pitch decks in minutes. Okay, it's all about graphics. If you work with presentations, if you want to create reports, some charts, some visuals, infographics, okay, you may want to go and buy all of this. And this is, I guess, the second version. So it says here, what is Pitch Deck Pro 2.0? So it contains 1600 plus new presentation and marketing visual templates, easily lets you create high converting blah blah. And this is what you get. Okay, this is the additional, I guess, this is the addition in the second version, right? So you can see here, and now you can also go and watch this video if you want to. You will probably find the link of the sales page below my video somewhere here. So click on show more, find all these links, and it might be saying here grab what is the name here again, I forgot. So grab Pitch Deck Pro copy somewhere here and click on that, and then you will be taken to the sales page where you can check everything. And also just go ahead, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, because I know the problem now. We as YouTubers like me, I cannot subscribe to myself. Okay, so you have to do it, and if you don't believe me, I'll show you. So if I copy my YouTube channel link here, and if I go to a new tab and open my channel, you will see the problem right in front of you, that I cannot go and subscribe to my own channel. And that is why we YouTubers have to ask you people to go and subscribe to our channel, right? Here is your proof right now on the screen. Any moment you see subscribe, I'm gonna click on that. Okay, and then it says you may not subscribe to yourself. So YouTube is telling me, hey dude, it's your channel, you cannot subscribe to yourself, right? So go and ask other people to subscribe to you. That's what I'm doing right now. YouTube is asking me to ask you so that you can subscribe to my channel, and you can make your friends subscribe to me as well, right? So hit the subscribe button, it's free. By the way, it's free. And hit the thumbs up, the like button, it's also free. Okay, and if you want to support or contribute to this channel, if you like my reviews, then you can use your you can use this super thanks button, and you can leave your colorful comments. Okay, and we will also talk about these links, make money with traffic Jarvis, because this is a very short review. There's nothing much to talk about this Pitch Deck Pro, because everything is actually mentioned on the sales page. But I'm recording this video so that I can also give you one more option where you can go and make money with simple videos, without using any infographics, without any presentations, without doing any fancy things. If you want to make money with basic videos, just like me, I'm recording my laptop screen and I'm giving my voice, that's it. Okay, so this is my video, and this video is making money for me, because you must have seen some ads in the beginning of the video. Okay, and the more ads you see or the more views this video gets, I will be making more and more money with this video, or with more videos which I will be recording in the future. Okay, so with every single view I make money, right? If you want to know how to do this, how to make money on YouTube for rest of the life just by uploading videos without selling anything, then you can check out this link, says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 1 month. And we're talking about getting those 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours, which you need before you can start making money with your YouTube videos. Okay, so to understand everything in detail, we'll talk about everything. So keep watching the video till the end, subscribe. And right now sales page says all done for you, so you can read all these features, and then you can see the samples here. So great presentation slides and all the samples you can see here. This is the work, they have mentioned everything here. You can go through the sales page, and once you decide yes you want all of this, you can see here, this is what you will be getting. This is what you will be getting. Okay, all these infographics are right on the sales page here. Go and see if you need this. If you need this, go and buy the buy via the link below my video, I guess. Okay, and again you can see these characters, you can use them. These are like maybe cutout PNGs, whatever. Then we have 150 plus color scheme pack, seam or scheme, there's no H here. Okay, there's no edge here, but there is an edge here. Okay, my eyes are very sharp. Okay, so they missed edge here, but they have, so I have to read it as color scheme. Okay, but my eyes are very sharp. Okay, so edge is missing from here. Anyways, and this is it. So you will be getting all of this, and if you want these things in your projects or in your client's project, you make presentations, you make maybe videos, whatever. Okay, if you want to use this, just go ahead and grab from the link below. There's nothing much to talk about. Okay, and the pricing, I think, let me see what the price is. It's around maybe 27. Let's see. Yeah, it's $27, right? So it's $27, and then we might have some upgrades. So let me check the upgrades here. You do have maybe one upgrade, I guess. Okay, so this is front end for maybe 19 to 27, and then you have one upgrade deluxe, which will be 37 for downsell, and maybe one more, which is wait instant library for 67. Okay, so when you buy the front end, you will be taken through these upsell pages, and if you want them, you can get them, otherwise you can skip. Okay, now we have some FAQs here. So what is Pitch Deck Pro? Pitch Deck Pro presentation what is this? Pitch Deck Pro R, I guess. Okay, are presentation templates suitable for a broad range of presentation. Our templates are appropriate for website projects, company profiles, pitch decks, software or app launches, social or political campaign, sales presentations, webinar, social, blah blah blah. You know how it works, right? What is your refund policy? No refund policy. Okay, there's no refund policy. They say 30 days, but this refund is only applicable if something is wrong with their product and their technical support cannot solve the problem for you. Then only you get the refund. Otherwise, there's no refund. So if you ask me, there's no refund. Only buy this if you want this. Otherwise, don't buy. Okay. How to edit? So you need to use PowerPoint to edit the template. Simply open your PowerPoint software, click and replace with your own content. Unfortunately, regarding the compatibility, Pitch Deck Pro won't work with Keynote. So if you're using Mac, it will not work with Keynote. This is just work with PowerPoint. Pitch Deck Pro templates work best with PowerPoint 13, 7, 10. It still works, right? So make sure that if you're using Windows computer, you should not have any problem. Okay. How do I download? So you will be getting the access to your I guess members area. So you'll get the email with your login details. And what is my license? So you can sell unlimited web projects. So you cannot resell these graphics, but you can use them into your projects or into your clients' projects. Okay. And if you have any questions, I guess you can contact them on Skype, 7.chandra. Okay, so you can contact them on Skype and ask questions. So if you have any, and then you can make up your mind and buy this, right? So it was a very sweet and short review. There's nothing much to talk about. It's all about, presentations, graphics. Go on the sales page and check out these graphics. If you want them, pay them, get them. Okay? I mean, pay and get, okay? And in the end, I said I will talk about how to make money with simple, basic videos without doing fancy things. And that's what we're going to talk about, because this Traffic Jarvis, which is actually my own course, this is what I have been doing since last 1 year or more. Okay, I'm making money on YouTube full time without selling anything, just by uploading these videos, and you people see these ads and they make me money. Okay, so if you want to learn the most simplest way to make money online without selling anything, just by recording these videos, then again, let's talk about Traffic Jarvis here. Make sure to subscribe, and there you go. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, You might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.